I'm called Hairora Hakim.
Hairora Hakim tinyinge?
I was a driver to Abu Malik Mekisa in 2020.
Oro for kupira rio ebiro driver kwa Abu Malik.
I will do everything in brief.
Lemeshiza ishi kadhi nya pio pio.
Abu Malik Mekisa approached me, then said he want to give me business and put me on land title on a commission basis.
Abu Malik ukamupino hiyo kamunyu tuinya ya awe kwayo ibin akedi iko land title.
Documents prepared for that commission.
Then a document remungo la bona magoine kidima Abu Malik tuchukule bange.
But when we proceeded,
sama kemedere
I saw things changing which I didn't know.
I
started regretting as to why I agreed to be registered on the title. Whereby I didn't notice other abnormalities which were in the title. So in short, in brief, I could not explain everything right now because time is against us. As today, in short, I have decided to move off this business. I will tender in my affidavit. I have already prepared because the inner content of it, I had not known it. So from today, whoever looked at me with a bad eye, I'm sorry.
The team, they are the ones who bring those who arrest us.
Oh, police!
Yes, and they always claim to be coming from the RDC office.
No, you see, let me tell you. For anybody to be arrested, somebody must have complained. Not arrest, it is the police which arrest.
RDC makongo endo police na mabiro mako.
Therefore, if there are cases, good enough there are no people who are in custody. All these cases are coming as a result of this land problem. Once this land problem is sorted, there will be no more arrests. Arrest my case.
The
Deputy RDC para.
We have the representative of the brigade commander.
What you represent brigade commander there?
And all the security officers are here from DPC and so on.
Could you check mageneno kikoko push? Iromi kimatong kitika keni.
All political leaders, like they have told you.
Jirotela check iromi kimatong.
So because of time, allow me use the protocol of the previous speakers.
Ipi sawa weka ai ku rom matong majumio gajo muwisho.
First of all, it is unfortunate for what is happening to you. We support eviction and we've never supported any illegal eviction.
Chalo office pa RDC giyongo ya jeri mngate moko kadoki ayade nyonyi chinge de poki tema ngoni ka winju nyonyi gineno nyonyi jeri moko.
The only letter that came was requesting for boundary opening and it was not allowing anyone to sell land.
Ikum waraka mula opino mila shell magineno kumubiro nye ya wegibidi ya buang keo ento ngonya jibinjuru chakuloro ngombe.
So I'm told the two parties are here. Is Hairora here?
Charge yaranya two parties are here on the team. Hairora utika keni.
So Honorable Minister, I request if you can allow me so that the two parties can give you their brief, because it is important that we hear from them.
So kimapenda techaro team ariyo zogitie. We no akwa team eno gigepingi we team of minister de winji.
Is Bianca, where are you?
Team Bianca egitie.
So I'm going to give you maximum 2 minutes. You give a brief to the minister, then
I'm giving in. I say
I'm asking you a question. Hakim, you are the one registered on the title as the owner of the land, aren't you?
I'm not the owner of the land. He's the owner of the land. He registered me to
No,
defend.
that's not what I'm asking. You were the one registered on the title as the owner of the land. Is that yet true or not?
Yeah, it's true.
So, did you steal that land? Or you are not aware of what you are doing when you go to register?
I was not aware of what I was doing when I was going to start it.
You know that you filed the case and the order was issued by court vesting the land in you.
But that was done erroneously.
But that was a court order.
It was done in error because they did not explain to me the content of what was in the case. They just told me to be registered under information basis, of which I did not get.
So you told lie to the court, you told lie to the registrar. How do we know that you are not telling us lie now?
Because I'm going to tender in my affidavit as per what expired.
But DPC
Chairman waffe omulungi ab'ebyokwerinda abatuuze mwenna nsanyusa okubalaba. Ab'ebibanja gye muli? Ab'ebibanja gye muli? Yanziza. Erinnya lyange nze Luwalira Abraham nga ndi Presidential Coordinator ku nsonga z'ab'ebibanja n'amataka mu ggwanga. Yanonda okuyamba mwenna abali affected ku nsonga zaki z'amataka abagobwa ku bibanja. Era njagala nnyo mwebaze minisita ono. Musooke mukubire ku njagala nnyo okwebaza ye yajjanga nnoonya emirundi ebiri nga nasooka ku ssimu gwe Luwalira osangibwa wa ne mulagirira. Officer yasooka wansangawo nakuwaya secondary school nga alina byenteekateeka ate luto eyokubiri wansangawo n'olwekyo mukubire ku ki wadde tukolagana chairman 5 abadde amwogerako amawulire amalungi nga gabooka be bakola ki be banyamba era yaleeta lipooti eno ng'erina kuyitira wange mu sindikaate w'omukulu ani wa mukulu minisita. N'olwekyo ab'ebibanja tutuule mirembe kasa tulaba ng'ono omukulu ki waali si bwe kiri. Naye obuzibu ffe tubwereetera kubanga abakulembeze bannaffe batukola ki be batutunda oba be batukola ki be batuyamba. N'olwekyo nsuubira nti abakulembeze muveeyo tuyambe abantu. Olwaleero bw'oba ogobye abantu wano bo tebakiraba ng'ekikulu lwa bunyonyi nti bagobye abantu 3 balowooza nti abantu 3 be bagobye oba ogobye eggwanga ki si bwe kiri kubanga olwaleero nveeri nenzije lwa bunyonyi wano nempasa omukazi ne tubeera bameka ne tuzaala abaana 10 ndowooza yinzaala yaffe bw'ozaala obubiri oviiramu awo kuba kamu kafa omusujja ate akalala emotoka nekatumira si bwe kiri. Kaakati olina okuzaala abaana 10 ne mufuuka 10 n'abameka 12 ku mwennaani nga yazadde omwana we n'atayagala azaalibwa niko omukono bameka 10 n'abaana be 10 kye 10 mwemeka mwe 10 namwe 2 10 n'abameka. Kitegeeza nti bwongoba leero oba ogobye abantu 10 mwemeka mu 10 n'abameka n'ababiri kubanga abaana n'abazzukulu tojja batwala wa mulirwanaawo nti kubanga bakuyitiridde mu ki mu family. N'olwekyo Pulezidenti Museveni kino yakirengera n'agamba teri kugoba baki kubanga muleeta empalana mu maaso oluusi kiyinza n'otuviiramu ssematalo n'ebintu byaffe bye tubadde tukoze ne bikola ki. N'olwekyo tubeere nga tukola ki nga tuwuliriza amateeka ne sensi zino ntiko komoni kubanga ababikola we bali baga nti bategeera naye ati ne babeera nga tebakoze eki tebategeera neyanziza